Welcome to 15 Genius Ways to Slash Your Grocery Bill Ultimate Money Saving Tips. In this video, we will show you practical tips on how to save money on groceries. Firstly, create a grocery list and stick to it. Secondly, avoid shopping when you are hungry. Thirdly, compare prices before you shop. Fourthly, check for discounts and deals. Fifthly, buy in bulk. Sixthly, plan your meals in advance. Seventhly, try to buy generic brands instead of name brands. Eighthly, use coupons. Ninthly, avoid processed and prepackaged foods as they are more expensive. Tenthly, shop at discount grocery stores. 11thly, consider joining a food co-op. 12thly, purchase meat when it is on sale and freeze it. 13thly, substitute expensive ingredients for cheaper alternatives. 14thly, avoid buying bottled water. Lastly, grow your own fruits and vegetables. By implementing these tips, you can save money on groceries and allocate your money on other essential expenses. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money saving tips.